So according to the law of karma, the person will get the result of their activities. Uh, this is certain, but when they will get it, this is not certain. So in many cases, what happens that people do some activity and they get the result of that activity in this lifetime itself. So when they were in college, they did something, and then when they grow up, go to a corporate world or work life, that time they get the result. So when it is immediate, sometimes people can understand. Let's say you do something bad to somebody and immediately, like in the morning you did something and then the evening something bad happens to you. So you immediately connect, अरे मैंने ऐसा किया तो मुझे ऐसा result मिल गया. So I got the result immediately. Then I will understand. But sometimes when you did something and you get a result after a long time, you may not be able to connect. So if some activity is done in previous lifetime and right now you are getting the result, so people think, oh, what I have done to deserve this?
Mm.
मैंने ऐसा क्या काम किया है कि मेरे साथ ऐसा हो रहा है? अब उनको वो ऐसा कुछ इस लाइफ टाइम में तो किया नहीं है. दे हैव नॉट डन नथिंग इन दिस लाइफ टाइम टू डिजर्व दैट. So it brings a question mark in their life. So for to find out that, we have to go into the past life. Then we can find out कि हाँ, past lifetime में ऐसा ऐसा किया था. Here there is like a story of uh, one of Lord Buddha's disciple. I've shared this earlier also. So his name was Chakuphala. Now he was blind. He was a monk. So once, because he was a senior monk, many other monks would visit him. And one of the monks, when they went to his room, they saw that, some ants were dead. So uh, it was actually not a good sign. So they told Buddha, we saw some ants dead. So Buddha said that Chakufala may not have done this intentionally because he's blind, he may not have seen that. And because of that, the ants were dead probably. So they were pacified, but you know, uh, they then asked Buddha, okay, why he's blind then? So he must have done something, na? So Buddha could see, people's past life. Like nowadays, people also do this uh, Akashic record reading.
Yes.
So this is when you are able to read somebody's past life. So those who are enlightened or those who have progressed on the spiritual path, uh, a person like Buddha can just look at you and tell you. But those who are not in that level, maybe they have to learn this technique or go to a deep level of the mind where they connect to the subconscious and then a super consciousness, and then they are able to read people's reading, right? So uh, Buddha said that in his past life he was a uh, doctor, and there was one lady who came to visit him, and she was having some eye problem, and this doctor told him that, I will cure this, no problem. So he gave some medicine. Because of that, she got cured. But she said that if I say I'm cured, then I have to pay him. So I will say I can't see clearly still. So she kept on saying that I can't see, I can't see. But the doctor came to know that she's able to see and she's cured. So what he did was he gave her another ointment because of which she completely lost her vision. Now that was something wrong he did as a doctor. And because of that, in this lifetime, he was, as Chakufala, he was blind. So Lord Buddha told the disciples that this is what it is. So many times people come for past life session and they say that, I am having so much suffering in this lifetime, so much pain, but I have not done anything wrong in this lifetime. Just like Chakufala, he was a monk. So in this lifetime, he has not done anything wrong. So they want to see, okay, what is it that I have done? Then when you go into past life, then you find out, okay, they have done something or the other. And then they can bring that connection. Oh, I've done this, so that's why this thing. Now, when somebody else tells you, like in Akashic record, when somebody else tells you, the okay, you can, like, conceptually understand, okay, I've done this, so I got this result. But the benefit of past life regression therapy is that people can experience it at a in the first hand. Like they will know, they will see what they have done, and they can build a connection with it. And that is a very powerful experience, because then it is not just a theory. They know at a very deep level, and they see everything at a deep level. And because of that, it transforms them very deeply, right? So the law of karma is a law. अगर आपने कुछ किया है तो आपको रिजल्ट मिलने ही वाला है। पर अगर वो बहुत सालों के बाद, या कभी कभी एक जन्म के बाद मिलता है, या दो जन्म के बाद मिलता है, तो कनेक्शन नहीं हो पाता। बट टू गिव द इफेक्ट ऑफ दैट कर्मा ऑल्सो समटाइम्स, यू नो it takes 1 or 2 lifetimes, because the universe has to arrange everything accordingly. That's not always possible, especially when someone does a lot of bad karma, very big things, and the life comes to an end of that person. Then what will happen? It can only be given in the next birth. So this is how it works, right?